Last year, a new Mercedes-Benz S-Class was introduced in the W body. Due to the revolutionary salon, he made a big splash in the class, where he was already a leader. And now the Sports AM version of the S is being prepared for release, which will occupy the top step in the hierarchy of the model. And its power can reach more than 800 HP. Mercedes is now actively testing its charged limousine, the last time the new S was seen at the Nürburgring and its surroundings. The camouflage was not dense at all, so we noticed that the car had undergone classic AM modifications, a black radiator grille like all fast Mercedes, enlarged brake discs with red or orange calipers, modified bumpers, a 4-barrel exhaust and original wheels with a characteristic design. But most of all we are interested in the technical filling. According to preliminary data, the new Mercedes-AMG in the W body will receive a hybrid power plant with a V-engine and a capacity of more than 800 horses. That is the same as the recently introduced AMG 63 SE Performance. Recall that its power was 843 HP and 1400 dynamics to match, 9 seconds to 100. It is worth noting the layout of such a system. It is based on a V with 2 turbines, this is already about 600 HP. It is equipped with a 9-speed automatic with a wet clutch. Next comes the electric motor, which is installed on the rear axle, about 200 HP. There is also another transmission and a differential with electronic locking. Mercedes also managed to keep the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and gimbal transmission. We think that the S-Class with such a power plant and a capacity of more than 800 HP will go to hundreds in 3 seconds. Naturally, the chassis will also be modified, because such a machine needs to be stopped, and also, harnessed into turns. The debut will take place very soon, before the end of 2021. Then we will find out all the technical details, officially. The previous generation S and S had a capacity of 612 HP and 630 HP respectively. An acceleration to 100 km/h, 3, 5C and 4, 3C. The 638 version just had a V, the S version is heavier, so the acceleration is higher. If you liked the video, you can always support me with a subscription or a like. Thank you and see you tomorrow.